Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up a component database and configure an ODBC data source in Capture CIS configuration. Capture CIS's schematic design tool provides the CIS component information management system, which features a user-friendly interface and robust functionality, allowing designers to quickly view enterprise component information, streamline the search, review, and selection process, and prevent design issues caused by missing material information, greatly enhancing design efficiency. So, how do we create our own CIS database? Let's explain in detail. First, we need to compile the required component information. We can use Excel to organize the component data. Here, we'll use an existing component information table as an example. In the component information table, there are several key data categories for CIS, namely part number, part type, value, schematic symbol, and PCB footprint, which typically correspond to the headers, part number, part type, value, schematic part, and Allegro PCB footprint. This ensures that during the subsequent DBC configuration process, key parameter names can be automatically matched without manual association. In addition to these key parameters, we can also organize other attributes for the components, such as description, manufacturer, and price. Once the component information table is organized, we can proceed to build the database. CIS supports various database formats, such as Access, MySQL, SQLite, etc. We will use an Access database as an example to demonstrate how to import the organized component information table into the database. Open the Access database, select External Data, and choose to import data from Excel. In the pop-up window, select the component information table you just created. Then check Import the source data into a new table in the current database. Click OK, and the Import Data wizard will appear. First, select the sheet from the component information table that you wish to import. Next, check the first row contains column headings, and then set the name and data type for each field in the table. The defaults are usually sufficient. Then, set the primary key, typically using part number as the primary key, or you may opt not to use a primary key. Finally, confirm the table name for the imported data, and click Finish once everything is correct. This imports one component information table into the Access database. Repeat the above steps to sequentially import all the component information tables. That's how to build the component database. However, if you want to utilize these component data in Capture CIS, you also need to create a corresponding ODBC data source. Next, we'll explain how to create an ODBC data source. In the Control Panel's Administrative Tools, select ODBC Data Sources 64-bit. Double-click to open it. Then choose either User DSN or System DSN. Click Add, and then select the driver corresponding to your database. In our example, since we're using an Access database, choose the Microsoft Access driver. After selecting, click Finish. A data source setup window will appear, where you can enter the data source name, and then select the Access database you just created. After choosing the database path, the database name will be displayed in the list on the left. Once selected, click OK. Now, under System DSN, you can see the ODBC data source you've created. Later, when configuring DBC, you can select this data source for further operations. That concludes our method for building the CIS database and configuring the ODBC data source. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.